Condenser electrical issues can totally mess up your air conditioning, but fixing them doesn't have to be a headache if you know what to look for. So, first off, always check the wiring connections on your condenser unit. Loose or corroded wires are a super common culprit and can cause your AC to not work right or even trip your breaker. Next, if you spot any wires that look frayed, burnt, or damaged, swap them out immediately because bad wires can lead to bigger problems or even safety hazards. Another tip is to inspect the contactors, the switches that control power to the compressor and fans. If they're pitted or burnt, replacing them can save you from a total system failure. Make sure to turn off the power before touching anything electrical. Safety first, you know? Also, keep an eye out for signs of moisture or rust on electrical parts, since water can cause shorts and corrosion. If you're unsure, using a multimeter to test continuity and voltage can help you figure out what's wrong without guessing. And finally, keeping your condenser unit clean and clear of debris will help prevent electrical issues from starting in the first place. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser electrical issues is ignoring loose wiring. That just leads to intermittent problems and can damage other parts. The fix? Just tighten those connections regularly and check for corrosion. Another common error is skipping contactor inspections. Over time, these get worn out and cause the compressor not to start. Swapping them out when worn can save you from costly repairs. Lastly, folks often forget to turn off the power before working on their unit, which is super dangerous. Always kill the power at the breaker box before doing any electrical checks or repairs to avoid shocks or injuries. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for connecting homeowners with reliable local contractors who really know their stuff, making projects way less stressful. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who need their skills nearby.